Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with clean, dry skin. This improves absorption and reduces irritation. Once hair is parted, dispense the recommended 1/2 pump onto gloved fingers or into the cap. Avoid touching with bare hands. Apply foam directly to the thinning zones. Press gently and spread in a thin layer so it reaches the scalp, not the hair shaft. Make sure to work methodically across sections because even short gaps reduce effectiveness. If you feel excess foam, blot gently. Do not rinse. Now focus on even distribution. With gloved fingertips, press and spread the foam in short, deliberate strokes so it contacts the scalp. You're aiming for light circular massage. This moves product into pores without irritating the skin. Once done, pause and allow 2-3 minutes for absorption. This minimizes transfer to pillows and clothing. If you use other topical products, apply Minoxidil first and wait until it dries. Make sure to wash hands after removing gloves to avoid accidental exposure. Finish by letting the treated area air dry for 10 to 20 minutes. Heat can alter absorption, so avoid high blow dryer settings. Once dry, you can style hair or cover it. Consistency is key, so set a routine daily or as directed on the label. If you notice redness, itching, or increased shedding, stop and reassess. Reduce frequency or patch test a small area and consult a clinician if symptoms persist. Remember, gradual results need steady application and patience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.